Next, seventh problem. If f of x plus y equal to f of xy for all x comma y belongs to R, then prove f is a constant function. F is a constant function. Constant function means range is one and only one element. Range should be one and only one element. So here solution. F of x plus y equal to f of x given, f of xy. So suppose put x equal to 0. So f of 0 plus y equal to f of 0 into y. So f of 0 plus y equal to f of y equal to f of 0 into y equal to f of 0. Suppose x equal y equal to 0. F of x plus 0 equal to f of x into 0. That equal f of x equal to f of 0. So therefore suppose x and y are two elements belongs to R. Suppose this is also 1. So here can get f of 0. So here this is a constant function. Range is same. So f of 0 range equal to f of 0. So range are same. So this is a constant function. This is a constant function. A equal to set of x such that minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, comma f of x equal to x square and g of x equal to x cube. Which of the following is surjection? Which is surjection? Solution. And there from A to B and conditions are given A to A and G from A to A. So here A equal to set of x such that minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. So the x value should be between minus 1 and 1. So here x equal to set of minus 1, minus 0.9, minus 0.8 like this 0 and 0.1, 0.2 like this. These values. X should be in between these values. So first point, f of x equal to x square. So f of surjection means f of x range is equal to codomain. So f of x equal to y. So here f of x equal to y. So x square equal to y. So x equal to plus or minus root of y. So suppose we will take by using Venn diagrams. Once you observe, suppose here A to A, x square. Suppose this is y plus or minus root y. Suppose if we take y equal to minus 1. So here plus or minus root 1 we are taking. Suppose 1 equal to, this is root 1 is satisfied. Suppose 0 we are taking, plus or minus root of 0 equal to 0. So here 0 will come. Suppose if we take minus 1, y equal to minus 1 if we take, then plus or minus root of minus 1. These are all real numbers, but root minus 1 is not a real number. So this is not a surjunction. So minus 1 ki ఇది మనకి రియల్ నెంబర్ కాదు, నాట్ ఏ రియల్ నెంబర్. So this is not a surjunction. Root of minus 1 is an imaginary number. So not a real number. Next point, g of x equal to x cube. So g of x equal to x cube. Surjunction means f of g of x equal to y we are taking. G of x equal to y. So here x cube equal to y. So x equal to cubed root of y. So here suppose a to e. This one x means here x cube. Suppose this is y means plus or minus cubed root of y. Suppose here we are taking y equal to 1. So y equal to 1. Then x equal to cubed root of 1. So equal to 1. So here suppose y equal to 1. So this is also plus or minus not there. So 1. Next here 0 we are taking, y equal to 0, cubed root of y equal to 0. So here y equal to minus 1. Cubed root of minus 1 is also a real number. So this is a real number. Therefore this is a surjunction. Surjunction. In this second problem, 6 problems are there. I will give 3 problems, solutions for 3 problems. So which of the following are injections or surjection or bijection? How to find injection, surjection and bijection. So first problem, f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. So here first we'll take injection. Solution. Injection equal to f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to a2. So first we have to take this one. So f of a1 equal to f of a2 by implication. So f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. We have to substitute a value in place of x. So 2a1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 2a2 plus 1 by 3. Here denominators are equal, get cancelled. Means suppose 3 is transpose that side becomes multiplication. So 3 will get cancelled. So 3. 2a1 plus 1 equal to 2a2 plus 1. So here 1 transpose that side, plus becomes minus. So 2a1 equal to 2a2 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So 2a1 equal to 2a2. So a1 equal to 2 transpose this side becomes new denominator. So 2 by 2 8. 2 get cancelled. So a1 equal to 8. So therefore satisfy this condition. So this is injection. So this condition is satisfies injection. Next surjection. Surjection. So f of x equal to y. Suppose we are taking f of x equal to y. So 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to y. So here 2x plus 1 equal to 3 transpose that side becomes multiplication. So 2x equal to 1 transpose that side, 3y minus 1. So x equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. So suppose here given f from R to R, both are real numbers. Suppose R to R. Suppose this is x and y. That equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. Suppose this is y, means here x equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. Suppose if you substitute real numbers, real values, any real values, if you substitute real value only we can get. So here denominator 2 is there, so we can get all real numbers only we can get. So not only that, every image have pre-image. So this is surjunction. This condition satisfies surjunction. So suppose f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. So substitute x value in this x value, substitute here. So 2 into 3y minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So here 2 to get cancelled. 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 1 cancel. So 3y by 3 equal to 3. So 3 get cancelled by. Therefore f of x equal to y. So this condition also satisfies surjunction. Therefore satisfies surjunction. Therefore, so this condition is this f of x is satisfies injection and surjunction. Therefore this is a bijunction. F from R to 0 comma infinity, open interval 0 comma infinity, defined by f of x equal to 2 power x. So here R from 0 to open interval 0 to infinity means all positive values 1, 2, 3 dash infinity will come. So here all real numbers means minus 1, 0, all positive values, root values, fractional values all will come. So here first we will check this is satisfies injection or not. Solution. First one, injection. F of x equal to 2 power x. So condition, injection condition is f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to A to satisfy. So suppose here by implication by implies 2 power x, f of x equal to 2 power x, f of a1 equal to 2 power a1 equal to 2 power a2. Here bases are equal, then power should be equal. So a1 equal to a2. So this problem f satisfies injections. Therefore f injection. Next, surjection. Surjection. So f of x equal to y. Here f of x equal to 2 power y. 2 power x equal to y. So x equal to log y base 2. So here y value, suppose here y values are all positive numbers. In logarithms, all positive numbers will, then logarithm are all are, it will be a real numbers. So it satisfies surjection conditions. So all logarithms positive values becomes are in real numbers. Therefore, so here f of x equal to y, f of x equal to log 2. Okay, so f of x equal to 2 power x. So 2 power x equal to 2 into log of 2. So y into 2 log 2. So this is 1. So that equal to y. Therefore f of x equal to y. Therefore f satisfies surjunctions. Therefore f surjection. Therefore f satisfies both conditions, injection and surjection. So this one is satisfied bijection. Next, third Roman problems is G equal to set of 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5 and 4, 7. Next, a function from a equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equal to set of 1, 3, 5, 7. So, if this is a given by a formula g of x equal to ax plus b, then find a and b. So is this, so first we have to check this is a function or not. Suppose function domain 1, 2, 3, 5 here given 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 and codomains 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1 to 1, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 to 7. So this is a function. So first we have to find a and b. What are they given? Domain and codomain both are given. So first solution. G of x equal to ax plus b. So first substitute a values. So g of 1 equal to a into 1 plus b, that equal to 1. So that equal to a plus b equal to 1. This is one condition. Next, second one, g of 2 equal to a into 2 plus b equal to 3. 2 equal to 3. So that equal to 2a plus b equal to 3. This is second condition. Like this, g of 3 equal to 3a plus b equal to 5. Third condition. And g of 4 equal to 4a plus b equal to 7. So, from 1 and 2 conditions, a plus b equal to 1. From 1 and 2 conditions, a plus b equal to 1 and 2a plus b equal to 3. Subtraction, doing subtraction, bb cancel and minus a equal to minus 2. So a equal to 2. So a equal to 2, then b equal to, from first condition a plus b equal to 1. So 2 plus b equal to 1. So b equal to 1 minus 2, that equal to minus. Therefore b equal to minus 1. So these are the a and b values. If the function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2, then show that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. Solution. So, first we have to take LHS. F of x plus y plus f of x minus y equal to x. In place of x value, we have to substitute a plus x plus y. So, 3 into x plus y plus 3 power minus of x plus y by 2 plus 3 x minus y plus 3 power x minus y by minus of it by 2. Taking LCM. 2. So here 3x plus y plus 3 minus x plus y plus x minus y plus 3 power minus x minus y. So next taking RHS. 2 into f of x into f of y. So here 2 into 3x plus 3 minus x by 2 into 3y plus 3 minus y by 2. So that equal to 2 cancel. So 3x plus 3 minus x into 3y plus 3 minus y. By using distributive property, so 3x into 3y plus 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus y. So here 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus y into 3 power x plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y. So here we know a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. By using this condition, 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus y plus x plus 3 power minus x plus y. Next, plus 3 power minus of x plus y. So here by 2. Next. So here, once you observe LHS and RHS, here 3 plus 3 power x plus y, and here minus x plus y 3 power and x minus y, and minus of x plus y. So equal to LH, this is RH. So LH, therefore LHS equal to RHS. So this condition is satisfied. Fifth problem, if a function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 4 power x by 4 power x minus 2, then show that f of 1 minus x equal to 1 minus f of x, and next, and hence reduce the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2f into 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. So condition given, we have to satisfy this condition. So first take LHS, f of 1 minus x equal to, substitute in place of x 1 minus x. So 4 power 1 minus x by 4 power 1 minus x minus 2. So here 4 by 4 power x by 4 by 4 power x. Here 4 power 1 minus x equal to 4 into 4 power minus x. We can write 4 by 4 power x minus 2. So here 4 by 4 power x by 4 minus 2 into 4 power x by 4 power x. So taking reciprocal, these two get cancelled. So 4 by 4 minus 2 into 4 power x. So this is one condition. Next, LHS, RHS. RHS, 1 minus f of x equal to 1 minus 4 power x by 4 power x minus 2. So taking LCM, f 4 power x minus 2 minus 4 power x by 4 power x minus 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 2 into 2 by 2 cancel. 2 minus 4 power x. That equal to cancel. 2 by 2 power 2 minus 4 power x. So here 4 minus 1 by, so here minus 4 cancel. So minus 2 by 4 power x minus 2, that equal to 2 by 2 minus 4 power x. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Next we have to find this value. So first f of 3 by 4 equal to, can write as f of 1 minus 1 by 4. So by using this condition, 1 minus f of x we can write. So 1 minus f of 1 by 4. Therefore, f of 3 by 4 equal to 1 minus f of 1 by 4. Next, f of 1 by 2 we can write as f of 1 minus 1 by 2. So here you can write as 1 minus f of 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2 minus f of 1 by 2 transpose this side becomes positive. So f of 1 by 2 equal to 1. So here 2 f of 1 by 2 and f of 1 2 f of 1 by 2 equal to 1. So substitute in this equation. So f of 1 by 4 plus 2f of 1 by 2 equal to 1 plus f of 3 by 4 equal to 1 minus f of 1 by 4. So these two cancel equal to so. So the answer is 2. If the function f from set of minus 1 comma 1 to 0 comma 2. So defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is a surjection. Then find a and b. A and b. So here two sets are given. So here suppose A, B. Here minus 1 and 1 and 0 comma 2. Surjection means B లోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ A లోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్తో మనకి మ్యాపింగ్ ఉండాలి. సో here surjection equal to range equal to domain. So f of A equal to B. సో అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా మనకి ఇమేజ్ అనేది ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఉండాలి. సో హియర్ f of minus 1 is mapping to 0, 1 is mapping to, and one more condition we can write minus 1, 1, 0 comma 2. Like this also mapping will be. So here by this is one condition. Case 1, case 2. So first case 1. So f of 1 equal to 0. F of 1 equal to a into 1 plus b equal to 0. So a plus b equal to 0. One condition. And f of 1 equal to 2. F of 1 equal f of minus. F of so equal to a equal to and f of 1 equal to a into 1 plus b equal to 2. So a plus b equal to 2. So here substitute b a value. So here a plus b equal to a. So a equal to 2. So 2a equal to 2. A equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So a equal to and a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 from one condition. Next second condition case. If f of minus 1 equal to 2. So a into minus 1 in plus b equal to 2. So here minus a plus b equal to 2. So b equal to 2 plus a. Next first condition. Next f of 1 equal to a into 1 plus b equal to 0. So a plus b equal to 0. So here b value, substitute b value here. So a plus 2 plus a equal to 0. So 2a plus 2 equal to 0. A plus 1 equal to 0. A equal to minus 1. So A equal to minus 1. Therefore B equal to 2. A equal to minus 1. B equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So that equal to A equal to 1. Therefore A equal to plus or minus 1 and B equal to 1. You can get like this. Next, f of x equal to cos log x. So f of 1 by x, f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into f of x by y plus f of xy equal to 0. So first in trigonometry some conditions are there. Suppose cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Like this, cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a minus b plus cos a plus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. And one more condition, cos minus theta equal to cos theta. So we are using these conditions here. So first f of LHS. F of 1 by x plus f into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into f of 1 x by y plus f of xy equal to cos of log 1 by x into cos of log 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into cos log x by y plus cos log xy. So here cos log x power minus 1 and cos log y power minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into cos log x minus cos log x minus log y plus cos log x plus log y. So here cos minus log x into cos minus log y minus 1 by 2 into, this is like this formula. So here a equal to log x equal to a and log y equal to b and a b. So cos a minus b and cos a plus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. So here 1 by 2 into 2 cos log x into log y. So here 2 cancel. So here minus cos minus theta equal to cos theta. So cos minus log x equal to cos log x into cos log y minus cos log x into cos log y. So here these two cancel equal to 0. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now 1A completed, exercise 1A completed. Next class we will discuss some